students, I am Sumina, your art teacher. Today I am going to teach you how to make a wall hanging or a wall decor with the best out of waste. I know it's a quarantine time, so many of us don't have proper material. So I am coming with an amazing activity which we all can do at our home. So for this activity we need newspaper, glue, a rolling stick to roll our newspaper, a waste CD and some color sheets. So let's get started. Take a paper, then fold it in this way. Then cut it with a cutter or a scissor. I am cutting with a cutter. Cut your newspaper. Then take your rolling stick. Any simple stick, you can take any simple stick. Then take this edge and fold it in this way. And after folding, while you folding your newspaper, just remove your stick slightly. Just like that. Fold it and then remove it. Fold it and then remove it. Just like that. Now remove your stick and then just take a glue and apply on this edge and then paste it. After that, we'll be getting this kind of stick. We have to paint our stick with a white color. I'm using white color. You can take any other color. Just paint your stick. In this way. After paint it, just keep aside to let them dry. I already make few sticks. After that, cut all stick, half of them a bigger one and half of them a smaller one. Now move to the next step. Take a old CD and just mark it where we have to put the long stick. And then mark the smaller lines where we have to paste small sticks. Now take a glue and take the big stick, apply a glue like this and just paste the big stick in this way. Now follow the same steps and then paste the whole long sticks. Now move to the next step. Take a smaller one, the small sticks, we have to paste it between the long stick. Just apply a glue like this, then take a small stick and paste between the longer one, just like that. Keep that aside to get it dry. Then cut a circle shape a cardboard, or you can take any harder sheet or harder surface. Make sure it's the same size of the CD. Then apply a glue. Then paste it like that. Until it gets stick. We are going to the next step. Now we are going to take some color sheet, one color sheet, and then again cut in a circle shape on the same size of the cardboard. Then again apply a glue on the circle shape color sheet. And then paste it above. You can decorate it with any other thing which you have at your home. I use a glittery sheet. I already cut it in a circle shape. Then another, take a color sheet, the same color sheet. You can take another color also. Then fold it in this way. Now we need some leaves for our decorative piece. Now draw a half shape leaf, just like that. It with the help of scissor. Make sure you use cutter or scissor under observation of your parent. Here we get our leaves. I already cut it, the leaves. Now take the leaf and apply a glue on the back side of the paper. Then paste it on the entire sticks. Just follow this step and cover the whole stick with these leaves. Yes, we get this kind of. Now you can place it if anywhere. Your wall hanging is ready. Your wall decor is ready.